Welcome! In this section of the course, we will learn about the advanced functionalities available in the Microsoft Excel. Let us start with the understanding of Relationships button given under the Data tab, along with Power Pivot. Before moving further, let us first add the Power Pivot add-in by going to the Excel options given under the File tab and then clicking on Add-in section and adding Power Pivot to the Excel ribbon. Now, let us understand the functionality of Relationship button and Power Pivot with the help of a practical example. In our example, we have two sets of data. 1. Particulars and nature of expenses, and 2. Nature of expenses and amounts. To perform the relationship and power pivot function, at least one column of both the data sets should have unique values, and hence, we have created a column of serial number in both the data. Now, follow the following steps to understand the functionality of relationships and power pivots. 1. Convert the data in Table 1 into table format by going to the Insert tab and clicking on Table button. For ease of reference, we have given the name Nature to Table 1. 2. Similarly, convert the data in Table 2 into table format by going to the Insert tab and clicking on Table button. For ease of reference, we have given the name Amount to Table 2. 3. Now, convert Table 1, that is Nature, into Pivot Table by going to the Insert tab and clicking on Pivot Table options. Please remember to check the Add to Data Model button at the bottom of the Pivot Table dialog box to use the Relationship button and click OK. 4. If we want to work on single table, that is only on Table 1, then we can use the Pivot Table option. However, if we want to collect data from multiple tables, in our case, Table 1 and 2, then we need to click on All button and then right click on Table 2 and click on Add to Active tab button. 5. Now we can see that we can use the data of both tables to create a summary. However, when we pull the amount in the pivot table, an error can be observed as the same amount is pulled multiple times. This is happening because we have not created any relationship between the given two tables. Now, follow the following steps to create a relationship between two tables. 1. Select Table 2, that is Amount, in the Table dropdown and select Serial Number, that is Unique Value, in the column Foreign dropdown. 2. Select Table 1, that is Nature, in the Table dropdown. And now, you'll observe that the serial number has been auto-populated in the column Primary section. 3. Click on OK button. And now, the relationship between two tables have been established. That is, now you can pull the data from both tables in a single pivot table. Let us check this function by pulling the nature of expenses from Table 1 and amount from Table 2 in the pivot table. Now we can observe that there is no error in the pivot table created. With this, we have completed the understanding of the relationship button along with the power pivot option in the Microsoft Excel. Thank you. See you at the next part of the course.